welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon and this is Melo's space here in the YouTube universe. I figured I'd do a little week in the life kind of vlog because it's been a while, and you know, like I said, want to show you little tidbits here and there of what I do when I'm not exploring out there in the world. So why not? Got a haircut last week, so a bit shorter than what you're normally used to seeing with me, but I actually enjoy it. My head's a little bit lighter. It's like my yearly haircut because I usually get it around my birthday. Anyways, yeah, I got nothing else right now. I just need my coffee. Why not do some work outside of the home office and just enjoy the day? It's actually nice and springy summer weather today, so I figured why not? I'll take it. Wednesday's vlog is good to go, and yep, just gotta prep all the social media stuff tomorrow and go from there. But for now, I am going to bed. I will see you all in the morning. Good night. If you haven't already, feel free to follow me on my Instagram account here, where you can see all of my photography and other cool things that sometimes don't make it onto the vlog. Slept in just a teeny little bit this morning. I was having some back aches, but all good now. Was preparing for my run outside and I checked the weather and it is about 80 plus degrees out right now. So there is a heat advisory and a wind advisory. So yeah, luckily we have an alternative. Caffeine time. My birthday is just a few days away, so I figured I would share a few fun facts about myself. Number 1, I used to be a film and television background actor many years ago. I was actually featured on several TV shows and movies and here is the screenshot proof of those shows. Yeah, those are some fun times. I did meet a lot of people that I'm grateful for, some of whom I still keep in touch with today. And yeah, it's not the most glamorous, but I enjoyed my time doing it, so very appreciative of that. I've actually had a few people comment to me after watching reruns of several shows, so that's pretty fun. But now, I'm happy where I am in the industry, and hopefully that keeps going. Forgot my coffee. It's nice out today. Looking out the window right now, it's 80 degrees and I'm wearing a sweater. Anyway, time for fun fact number 2. I enjoy meditating without fail every morning, at least for 10 minutes, at most for 15. I find it's a sweet spot in terms of getting the right moment to center yourself and just taking time to release any stresses, or just clearing my mind and preparing myself for whatever the day has to offer. I've always been big on self-care and making sure you're taking care of yourself in whatever form you feel like necessary. So for me, part of that is meditation and of course running. So with that, cheers to you for taking care of yourself. It's really hot out this morning. Whew. Great. All right, time for fun fact number 3. Many years ago, roughly 10 or so years, I used to run a food blog called Bread Plus Butter. And yes, I was a food blogger way back then. The only reason I didn't continue was because I got burnt out, but also life took over and I was too busy on the workforce to continue. Although, I will say I did manage to put up a recipe every single day for 2 years straight, so that was pretty fun, and I'm really happy with the recipes I was able to come up with. You can name it, I've probably tried it. I'll try to see if it's still online, and if I do, I'll put in the link in the description below, so if you want to check it out, and if you need a recipe, go right ahead. Sharing is caring, right? So with that, I say, happy eating. $89 degrees today. It's not supposed to be summer yet. I'm not ready for that. Happy Super Bowl Sunday to all of you lovely people out there. It is time for fun fact number 4. Since I was a child, I was always known to take with me a notebook. I've always been the type to always have so many ideas, thoughts, or things that I see that I want to remember. So taking a notebook with me everywhere I go is a perfect way to remember all of that. And I have a shoebox full of these, really spanning back for probably 20 years or so. So I have a lot of thoughts, I guess, over the years. I usually use the Moleskine notebooks. These are great, sturdy, and I always take with me a pen. This is my favorite one right here. It's a zebra pen that has refillable ink, so that way I have backup when I need to. So it's definitely a great way to keep track of things or remember certain times or moments that you want to look back on at some point. Ooh, I just had an idea. You may or may not see this idea on a future vlog. Who knows? You'll just have to wait and see. One of the things I actually enjoy about the Super Bowl is the commercials they put in between when there's a pause in the game. There's some pretty entertaining ones each year. Good morning and happy Hearts Day, aka Valentine's Day, for those of you who celebrate. One of the things I liked about this holiday is those little candy hearts that taste like chalk. I don't know why I like them, I just do or did. Anyways, it's time for fun fact number 5. Now I mentioned a couple days ago I used to have a food blog where I pretty much cooked up, whatever I can for a 2-year span. Another side to that is that I love to bake. Normally I would bake a loaf of bread once a week. I am known for my delicious cheesecake that I love to cook up for friends whenever they ask. Anything for the sweet tooth, I guess. And today is no exception. Since it's Valentine's Day and tomorrow is my birthday, I am going to bake up something really delicious later. I'm looking forward to how it turns out, but I know it's gonna be delicious either way, so looking forward to it. Not too often I buy balloons on occasions, but I felt like this year for my birthday I would, because this one says I'm fabulous. Good morning. It is my birthday. I'm officially a year older. I'm actually happy about it. It's gonna be nice and cool today, which is great. So instead of my morning run, we're gonna go on a mini hike. So yeah, let's go. Over at Brand Park for today's hike. I'll have a full video of it for you guys in the coming weeks. I like it. It's a short hike today, but worth it. Alright friends, we're back from the hike, all freshened up. It was a good one. It's a short hike, but very much needed. A little bit rainy, drizzly out there, but not too much, just perfect. And it's a good way to start off the birthday. Woo! I think we'll leave it there. Thank you so much for joining me once again. Thank you for coming back each week, and I truly do appreciate you all coming here just to see what, adventures we will get into. And with that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet, as we definitely have more adventures coming up, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. Now I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my birthday and whatever adventures I can get into. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.